So hello everyone, welcome once again to my YouTube channel that I'm System. So I hope you are doing well. I'm Dr. Dibozuri Soikia and I warmly welcome you to our IIT-JAM Question Answer Series where we solve previous year and important IIT-JAM level questions in a clear concept-based and exam-oriented manner. In today's video, we are going to solve one important IIT-JAM question, and this question is also part of this IIT-JAM Question Answer Series. I hope you will understand this question. First look at the question. So in the given question, what we have given, so we have given what, let n be a sequence of real numbers, which is defined in this way: n equal to 1 if n is prime, and n equal to minus 1 if n is not prime. And the sequence bn is defined in this way: bn equal to n divided by n, and for n belongs to the set of natural number. We have given four options when we need to check which one is correct. In option A, what we have given, both n and bn are convergent, and option B we have given n is convergent but bn is not convergent. And option C, what we have given, n is not convergent but bn is convergent. And in option D we have given both n and bn are not convergent. So look at the solution, how we can solve it. We have a result if subsequences of a given sequence converges to the same limit, then the parent sequence also convergent. Okay, so we are going to use this result to solve this problem. So the given sequence is defined in this way: n equal to 1 if n is prime, and minus 1 if n is not prime. Okay, so by treating n in different ways, in two different ways, we are going to get two subsequence for this given sequence. The first subsequence will be what? So we consider the first subsequence as n, suppose k1. Okay, and the first subsequence will be defined in this way. So if n is not prime, then the subsequence will be like this: 1 1 1. This will represent a constant subsequence, and the second subsequence uh, will be in this way. So minus 1 minus 1 minus 1. This will also represent another constant subsequence if we treat n as not prime. Okay, so we observe that these two subsequences, the first subsequence is converges to 1, but the second subsequence is converges to minus 1. So we conclude that what, by the given result, so we can conclude that what, the given uh, sequence n is not convergent. Okay, again the bn is defined in this way. So bn is defined n divided by n, where n belongs to the set of natural number. If we are again going to treat n as first what, n as prime, then we are going to have what, bn is equal to 1 by n, where n is prime. Then we are going to get what, a subsequence in this way, say b and k, say 3. Okay, and this is what, 1 by 2, then 1 by 3, 1 by 5, and so on. Again, if we treat n as not prime, then so what we are going to have, we are going to get another subsequence. Say it is considered as b and k4. So in this case, what we are going to have, 1 by 4, so 1 by 6, like this. Okay, so for this subsequence, we are going to get a limit point, say L1, and for this subsequence again we are going to get another limit point L2, which are not same. So we can conclude what, bn is also not convergent. Okay, so therefore The which one will be the correct option? Option D will be the correct option. Both an and bn are not convergent. Okay, so in this way you can solve this. So if you like my videos, then don't forget to like, share and comment on this video. And if you are new to this channel, so don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. So thank you for visiting my